Uh, Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we can learn as a Spring Boot application by using on Spring Initializr. First of all, we can open the Spring Initializr. Website is start.spring.io. Then we can add as a group and artifactor and package, which package is required for that one, and 1.8 we need to select, but we are using as a 1.8 and local version. Then we can go for spring data starter dependencies. For first of all, we need to select the web application. Spring web we have, spring web have, we have, and rest full services and spring MVC, and inbuilt Tomcat is there for in this dependency. If you select this one, then we can go for spring JPA for DB connection, spring data JPA, and after that we H2 database for temporary testing purpose. We can select that one, and we can click as a generator on down. It will be when you click the generator, and it will be download the project for based on artifact ID. Artifact ID we are given as a demo. It will be downloading as a demo full demo zip file. After that demo zip file, we need to extract that one by using zip 7-zip or anyone. It will be extracting the file. After that extracting file, it will be create the demo project here. If you need to open this one on through IntelliJ or any ID, we can import this one. Once you select that one, it will ask on trust the project. Once you click the trust the project, first time only it will ask, and after that it will ask on same window or new window, and we need to select like this also for import. It's be imported, and it will be going on Maven dependencies. So it will be downloading. First of all, it scan the pom.xml, and it reading the whole files what are there on our project. If I select that one, progress bar, it will show the what are the dependencies is downloading, and wait for some time for dependencies for downloading. It going to download it done almost. Then we can check the what are the dependencies is added on our project. Then in this scenario, we need to go for pom.xml. In this pom.xml have some dependencies is there, starter dependencies. We can check on one by one. First of all, we need to go for application. It's a parent file. This one Spring Boot starter parent. This is the main application for main project for Spring Boot application. If I go for inside of the Spring Boot starter, it's inside. It's on Spring starter is there, Spring starter web, and these things. Then we can go for Spring web, Spring Boot starter web. Inside of this Spring Boot starter web, here Spring Boot starter is there, and Spring Boot starter JSON is there, and Spring Boot starter Tomcat is there. After that, it will be Spring web is there, and Spring MVC is there. Based on that, application should be run, and then we can go for Spring starter JSON. Inside of that, JSON binder is there, and JSON data type Java JDK 8 is there. These are the things is there for JSON conversion purpose for this one. And then we can go for Spring data JPA, and then we can run the application by using this one, Spring Boot application. Let's see what happens. It's before execution, the build is going on. Once build the application, yeah, Spring Boot application is running fine. It's 8.8080 Tomcat. Thank you for watching my video. We can see on next videos for how to learn the how to implement the Spring Boot application, Spring REST calls and all. Thank you.